आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, so the question is, let A, B, C be a triangle with incenter I and radius R. Let D, E, F be the feet of the perpendicular from I to the sides B, C, C, A and AB respectively. If R1 and R3 are the radii of the circles inscribed by the quadrilateral AF, IE and BDIF and CEID respectively, then we need to prove that R1 upon R minus R1 plus R2 upon R minus R2 plus R3 upon R minus R3 is equal to R1, R2, R3 upon R minus R1, R minus R2 and R minus R3. So, I'm drawing down the diagram as per the given information. So this is the diagram as per the given information. Now we can observe that that is J K E H. J K E H is a square. Why? Because all the angles, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90, so this must be obviously 90. So therefore, because all angles are 90 degrees, so this is a square. Therefore, we can say that HE is equal to JK. So, if this is a square, then HE is equal to JK is equal to R1, and it is already given in the question that IE is equal to R. Therefore, we can say that IH is equal to R minus R1. Now we can say that in the right angle triangle IJH. So this is I, this is J, this is I. This is a right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle IJH, we can say that angle JIH. So I'm writing down in triangle IJH. Angle JIH is equal to 90 degree. That is angle JIH. So we can say that this angle is equal to this is JHI is 90 degrees, so therefore GIH would be equal to 90 degree, that is pi by 2 minus A upon 2, correct? Because we can see that the reason is that we can say that in triangle IAH, this angle is 90 degree, so if this is A by 2, this must be a pi by 90 degree minus A by 2, so that's why this JIH, this is pi by 2 minus A by 2. I hope this explanation is clear. Now proceeding forward. Tan of pi by 2 minus A by 2. Basically, I'm taking tangent of this angle, that is JIH. So this is pi by 2 minus A by 2. This is JH upon IH. So basically, what I can write it as, this is R1 upon R minus R1. So now, solving it, it is equal to pi by 2 angle changes to cot. So therefore, cot of A upon 2 is equal to R1 upon R minus R1, correct? So this is R minus R1 in the denominator. Now, proceeding forward, if cot of A by 2 is having this value, then similarly we can say that cot of B by 2, cot of B by 2 would be equal to R2 upon R minus R2, and similarly cot of C upon 2 would be equal to R3 upon R minus R3. So basically, if I'll be adding all the above results, what I get, basically I'm adding cot A by 2, cot B by 2 and cot C by 2. Adding, I get cot A by 2 plus cot of B upon 2 plus cot of C upon 2. That is equal to R1 upon R minus R1 plus R2 upon R minus R2 plus R3 upon R minus R3. Taking LCM, if I'll be taking LCM of it, what I get? In the denominator, I'll be getting R minus R1, R minus R2, R minus R3. And here it would be R1 into R minus R2 into R minus R3 plus R2 into R minus R1 r minus r3. Similarly, I'm extending the numerator, so it would be plus r3 into r minus r1, r minus r. Further solving it, what I'll be observing that the denominator would be same, that is r minus r1, r minus r2, r minus r3, and in the numerator we'll be left with r1, r2, and r3. Rest all the terms will be cancelled out. So this is what we had to prove in the question. So I hope this explanation is clear to you all. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।